Wow, it's snowing again. Looks like a busy day on the farm. Breakfast time. Eat well, okay? It's cold today. Easy, everyone. One egg at a time. No pushing. Fresh veggies in the snow? This is real farm to table. All right, market stop, then straight home. Good pork, please. Tonight's dinner needs to be special. This will cook nicely. Cold walk, but warm food later. Clean ingredients make happy meals. Stir-fried pork and veggies, Christmas dinner is ready.
Nothing beats a warm meal, especially when shared. Merry Christmas.